Let's go explore Nassau. We are out doing the Explore Nassau sightseeing tour. It is a tour where you get on a bus and we go see the sights and stuff of Nassau. There's some caves and stuff like that. We've never done this tour before. We actually don't even barely ever do any excursions or anything like that in Nassau, but so it's a first time for us. We're doing a lot of first on this cruise, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. But make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. Let's go do it. This tour was $68, $64 a person, so for the two of us, it ended up being $128. And it's about 3.5 hours. So we make two different stops. One at some caves, and the other one at a beach. So I don't know how much time we're going to have at each place, but I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to get on a air-conditioned bus, van, whatever, and go sightseeing around Nassau, which we've never really done before, other than going to Atlantis, I think, maybe one or two times, but we've never really looked at the sights and stuff of Nassau. So, and you gotta love the new area where they have the shark going after the people. Oh, jeez. I love that thing. There is about 4 ships here today, so it's pretty busy for Nassau today. We got our Disney Dream ship right over there, and you got some MSC ship, and then 2 Princess ships, and then a smaller one called Sierra or Sienna, something like that. Never heard of it, but it's very, very, very small. If you haven't been to Nassau recently, it is very nice now. Like, they built this whole area. There's free Wi-Fi. There's a museum of junk canoe right here, which is really cool. But there's a lot of different stores here that they have now. We made it to the bus.
Who's here for the first time? Oh wow, okay, so welcome to my island. First time, welcome to the Nassau Cruise Port. This is a newly renovated port with completions happening in March of 2023. So this is a new baby. Now this is a $300 million port. Now originally it was not constructed to accommodate what you would call humans. Nope, it was built to accommodate all that illegal rum that was coming to our island. It is an ingredient used in making penicillin. Yeah. Now the bark of that tree, well, that is used for something a little bit more stimulating. That's as much as I can tell you without being overly, yeah. White structure there, that's our water tower, constructed back in 1928. And it was responsible for moving water throughout the island. To your left, Princess Margaret. Now this hospital dates back to 1953. Originally it was known as General Hospital, but in honor of the princess's visit back in 1954, they renamed it to her. To the right, you would see an octagon-shaped building. That was the very first prison back in 1798, but converted to a library and museum back in 1873. This used to be, that's the one to your left, used to be the site of the very first luxury hotel, the Royal Victoria. If you look by the steps, you're going to see those 2 symbols. Well, those are royal symbols. And they're just as old as the hotel would have been had it still been here. Our pink house has a Barbie. Her name is Dame Cynthia Pratt. She is the newest Governor General. So she's typically a Barbie. Just in front of it, you see that 100-pound cannon? That's pointed at my friend there. Sorry. We're going to be driving under. Lovely as they are. Yeah, they're gorgeous. Well, they are of absolutely no significance. Yeah.
We made it to the caves. Yes. This looks like Game of Thrones, but like with conch shells. I think we're gonna go down there. So she was telling us that there is these caves over here, and they used to be really far down, and now there's only about 10 to 15 feet of caves that you can go in now. Okay, we're going in the caves. Let's do this. She said there's bats in there. Going in the caves. Not smell good in here.
You know, watch your step. It's very damp in here.
Cool.
Falling, freezing, no concussions. Okay, so on that side there's water, so you won't be able to go on that side. Now, if you're adventurous and you want to walk to the back of the cave,
Yes.
you're going to be very careful coming up this way. Okay? A little pathway. Some light. Careful.
Oh.
There you go. Good catch. Thank you very much. There you go. Careful coming down.
Okay.
Slip, no falls.
We've made it into the caves. Oh, ah, I see the bats. The bats are up there. They're all fine.
We will in a second.
I want to get out of here, I
Okay, hang on.
Huh?
guess. Be cold.
There's a lot of bats. Mm-hmm. They're all bats up there.
Uh-huh. Do you hear
That's fun. Oh, geez. They're all coming out now.
Is mom coming? Okay.
There's cool stones.
Very slowly.
A lot of bats.
Yeah, don't go in the water.
A lot of bats. There's a lot of glass, too.
Here, your stays over there. I'll take your picture. Careful from there's glass, man.
I want to go see what that way is. There's water there, though. Yeah, see all the water?
Can you look at me, guys, and I'll take your picture. Go stand right by the ground.
I guess there's another part of the caves that we're going to. Over here. Let's see what it is. Do we go in it? Do we stand on the outside? Just like a big cave. Holy cow. I feel like there should be a bear that lives in here. I don't know why. Cool. Just like ends back there. So all these caves back here are made of limestone, she said, which is really cool. So if you want to have filtered water, you would filter it through these limestones. But I still wouldn't drink it. That's really gross. So this tree above me is an almond tree, and we just spent the last like 10 minutes trying to get almonds out of the shell of the almond, which is a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. But you have to find like the right one on the ground, and I went through like 10 of them before I finally found one, and I ate it, and it was good. I love almonds. That's why they're so expensive, because it's so freaking hard to get out. We have made it to our beach break area. Such nice water. We were here about 30 minutes long, so not too bad, not too long. Just enough time to stick our feet in and take a little break. But that right there, that island right over there is owned by Eddie Murphy, is what she was saying. Really cool. This tour is really, really cool. Learn a lot about the island and the things around it. And you see a lot of cool stuff too, like going to the caves. That was really cool. Learning about the island, like knowing that the flamingo is actually the bird for the Bahamas. I did not know that, and it's illegal to shoot them. So yeah, flamingos. Who would have known? And the conch shells are very expensive down here. And there's a hotel called Bahamar that has like roundabouts in their area that's just filled with conch shells. So yeah. Oh, that's cold. Oh, I'm at the water and holy crap, that's cold. Oh my goodness. Ah. My Florida self could never go in this ocean. Woo! Christmas. She likes the water. Not me. I'll go in the water tomorrow when we're in the at Lookout Key. If it's not this cold, it will be. But but I really like that beach though. We'll see. We'll see. If you like historic stuff, like learning about the different cultures and stuff like that, this tour is amazing. Like, we had never really did a tour before, and we're gonna start doing more tours like this because it's a lot of fun. A lot of fun, especially then, like, we didn't really know what even Nassau really was until now. So. So we're back from Nassau, and that was such a fun excursion. I highly recommend that excursion. And we're moving. We're starting to move. I can see it down there. We're moving. But well, that was fun. That was perfect timing. We're moving. I think we're going to play more too. By people that wish they were on a Disney boat. Is that it? I think that's it. But again, that was a lot of fun today. Highly recommend going out and doing that excursion. We will definitely be doing more excursions because we've been doing more excursions lately, and we've had so much fun. Like, we never do anything when we're in Nassau, and today has changed our minds to do more things when we're at the ports and not just stay on the ships. But tonight is pirate night, so that means there's fireworks at sea tonight. There's the show tonight. There's no actual show. They're showing Mufasa and in the Walt Disney Theater. We've already seen that the last time we were on a ship. But we're going to eat dinner tonight back in Animator's Palette, but it's going to be piratey themed tonight. So I can't wait to see that. But yeah, let's go see what pirate night is. We're doing something we never do. We're at the gym on the cruise ship. I'm doing running. Well, I'm walking on the treadmill. But it was really cool because you have this really nice view right here. Or you can look at Rome. Whatever one you want to do. But this is a really nice view. Especially right now. But I can't see because I'm too tall. And this is what I see. But I have to look down to see this. But it's really nice. If you're a little bit shorter than me, you have a really good view. Oh yeah. It's pirate night. Arr, that's better. Tonight is pirate night. And all the pictures are pirate themed today. Look at that. Alright, how fun is this? It's Pirates of the Caribbean. This is the menu. And all the menus are the same for pirate night, no matter what restaurant you're at. So doesn't matter what restaurant you're at, it's going to be the same menu. It looks good tonight, so yummy. It's all pirate themed. I just love all the pirate pictures and stuff. Look at these pictures. So this is the dip tonight. It's mango dip. I don't know what to think about this. I like it, but I don't. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. I like mango, so it's weird dipping my bread in sweet mango baby food, is what she said. She said it was baby food. It does. It tastes like mango baby food. Oh well, I'm gonna eat it. So we have not done a pirate show that has not had a live band in a very long time. Like, I'm used to like the Wish to the Treasure that has a actual live band for the fireworks and stuff. I don't know how many. It's gonna be really weird not seeing a band up there playing while the fireworks are going off and stuff. It should be fine though. It should be fine, right? Right.
And up she rises, her lions are born. Very good go down, remember that. And Captain, our elution may 24 inspection.
Wonderful. Now, injury at hand.
This is fucking
That was a fun night doing piratey stuff. That was a fun day altogether at Nassau. Again, never really did anything in Nassau before, so that was a lot of fun. Definitely do something like that again. We were going to do something else originally, and it got canceled because there wasn't enough people. So we might try that one next time. Next time we're in Nassau. But definitely suggest going to the one we did today. It was a lot of fun, a lot of history stuff going on. It was called, Exploring Nassau Sightseeing Tour. That's what it was in the app. So again, it was about $64 a person. That's what we paid for it, at least. Yeah, it was a lot of good times today. Had some pirate nights. So tomorrow we're going to be at Lookout Key, Lookout Cay, however you want to call it, Lighthouse Point. For the second time. We did it on the preview cruise before. Now we're going to do it after, almost a half a year of it being open now. So it opened in July of last year, and it's February now, so almost a year now. So I'm super excited about that because the beaches were amazing. Super excited about that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this and you want to see the videos of the rest of our dream cruise from 2025. We'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.